Hi all, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. I hope all of you are doing good. So today in this video I'll show you a very important lesson, that is how to extend the GL accounts, general ledger accounts, from one company code to another company code in bulk. Okay, so I would request all of you to watch this video thoroughly till the end. Don't skip the video because it is a very useful lesson in your regular day-to-day life. This lesson will be a very useful. Hence, please watch this video thoroughly so that you also can extend the GL accounts from one company code to another company code easily. So I have two company codes. This is the table SKB1. As you all know that we are opening the T code AC16N to view the tables, and my table is SKB1. So I'm going to SKB1 table. There I can see the GL accounts. So I have two company code. One is TXT, another one is 9700. So I'm putting both the company codes here. That is one company code, another is 9700. So executing them, I'm just executing it to show you that what all are the GL accounts available in both the company codes. So these all are the GL accounts. Just check that these all are the GL accounts. So TXT has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 GL accounts in it. Okay, and 9700, I mean these two GLs are available in both 9700 and TXT company codes. But the above all GL accounts, means starting from here to here, these GL accounts only belongs to TXT company code. They do not belong to 9700 company code. So my task is to extend this GL from TXT company code to 9700 company code. So what I'll do is I'll copy these GL accounts, what all are to be copied, what all are to be extended. Now I'm going to a new T code. I'm showing you the T code. T code is, it is I have reached the maximum number of session. So the T code is FS15. This is the T code wherein I can copy the GL accounts from one company code to another company code. So my T code would be this FS15. Going to this T code. So these you can note this thing that FS15 is used to extend the GL accounts from one company code to another company code. Now I'll paste all my GL accounts which all are to be copied. So here without giving anything I cannot go further, hence I had to give one. Okay, so my one company, my company code is TXT. I mean this is my source company code. Okay, so here I have to put my source company code and source GL accounts. So just going to the multiple selection. However, it is asking for the target company code, so let me give the target company code and I have to uncheck this. Okay, so now I have pressed enter because I have to go to the multiple selection. Yes, so it has entered into the multiple selection. 4000 I don't need, so I'll just paste what all I had copied earlier. Yes, so these all are the GL accounts which I want to be extended from TXT to 9700. So yes, so make sure that you tick this transfer master data, and if you want to transfer the block indicator and deletion flags also, then you can check them. I don't need, even none of my GL accounts has the blocking indicator or deletion flags. So let me explain you. If you tick this, then which all GL accounts are having blocking indicators active and deletion flags activated in your current company code, when copied to the source company code, those indicator will be will remain the same. Okay, so if you want this, then only tick those check boxes, otherwise leave it. So I don't need. Now after entering all your data, what you have to do, you have to click on the save button. Here variant will be saved, so I have to give a variant name. So let me give a variant name, GL GL 29700. Yes, so this name I have given. Now just copying it and pasting the same in the description also. Now we'll just save it. It is saved. Now I will execute this. Once executed, all of them will be extended to the source company code as expected. So I just have executed. Let's see, it's taking a bit time. This transaction generally takes a bit time, and as I have given few numbers of GL accounts, so it may take a bit time. So this happens. So if it takes a bit longer time, then please don't be surprised. It is a standard behavior of SAP. Yes, it is compiling. So the task has been executed. Yes, so it is all okay. I have to just click on the back button. These all are copied now, which is correct, which is as expected. So just press the back button. So I'll come out of it and I'll go to the table to check whether at all those are copied or not. So going to AC16N again, and our table was SKB1, to check whether at all the GLs are copied or not. Yes, so SKB1 is the table. My company code is 9700. I'm just executing it. Previously, as you remember, we only had 2 GL accounts available under this company code. So see, now there are many. We had copied 6. These 2 were already available. So others, I mean these 6 GL accounts are now copied, which is correct, which is as per our expectations. Now we'll go to the FS00 as well to show whether those are available in FS00 or not. Those must be, but still I'm showing you. Going to FS00. Opening it, our company code will be 9700. 9700, just pressing enter. Yes, see, these all are coming, which is as expected. So I hope this is very much clear to you, and I hope you have liked this content a lot. So if you have liked the content, then please like the video. If you still have any understanding issues, then please drop your questions in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your queries. I'll surely come up with some next video within few days. Till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.